Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So there are some deleted messages or conversations that you have had on Facebook Messenger and now you want to know how can you recover them. You're in the right place because today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. All you need to do is to follow up with me till the very end of this video and let's jump right into it. First we need to get something out of the way because we're going to be using the Facebook app. Let's go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're on. Search for Facebook from there, and once you find it, head out and make sure you have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly. After that, you can quit the store. Let's go ahead and open Facebook now. Make sure you're logged into your account and then open menu by tapping the profile picture, the top right corner of the screen right here. And from your menu, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner, of course, to open settings. From your settings, right here, you need to scroll down until you find an option that says download your information right here. There is an easier way to find it. You can tap on the search icon in the top right corner and search for download information or download. It will pop up right here. Tap on download your information. And then from here, tap on request a download. From here, keep only your Facebook account selected and unselect every other option and tap on next in the bottom right here. And then from here, if you want to request a complete copy, it's just going to take a lot of time. If you want only the messages, tap on select types of information. And from here, tap on messages and tap on next in the bottom to continue. You'll get more options here. You can choose the quality of the media if you want to recover even images and videos from the conversations, and also the duration right under it, and then of course the format and where do you want to be notified about the copy when it's ready. Once you download it, you can go ahead and unpack it and find the messages there. That is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and leave your questions in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one.